Welcome back to the channel, tech enthusiasts. OpenAI has officially released GPT-4.5, codenamed Orion, a research preview of their latest language model. But this isn't just another iteration. GPT-4.5 represents a deliberate technical pivot, focusing on scaling unsupervised learning in a bid to enhance world knowledge and, surprisingly, emotional intelligence. What if AI could understand you better than ever before? Welcome to GPT-4.5, OpenAI's latest leap in artificial intelligence. Released in a research preview in early 2025, this model promises to redefine how we interact with technology. Let's dive into what GPT-4.5 is, what it can do, and why it matters. Let's get started. GPT-4.5 is the newest in OpenAI's line of language models, building on the multimodal GPT-4 and the conversational GPT-4.0. Announced in February 2025, it's rolling out first to ChatGPT Pro users, with wider access soon after. Unlike its predecessors, GPT-4.5 boasts a broader knowledge base, sharper reasoning, and what OpenAI calls greater emotional intelligence. It's not just about answering questions, it's about understanding intent. Think of it as an AI that's more like a thoughtful collaborator than a simple tool. Early tests, like those hinted at by Sam Altman on X, suggest it feels more natural, almost human-like, in its responses. It's a transformer-based architecture, likely scaling up from GPT-4's rumored trillion-plus parameters. It's got a beefy context window, possibly 128,000 tokens, letting it handle long conversations or documents. Multimodal inputs are a big deal. It processes text and images, with outputs staying text-based for now. Real-time search keeps it current as of March 2025, and file uploads, like PDFs or PICs, enhance its versatility. Early tests show 5% edge over GPT-4.0 in benchmarks, with sharper reasoning and what OpenAI calls greater emotional IQ. In coding, it beats Claude 3.5 but lags behind a hypothetical Claude 3.7. Pre-training took 10 times the compute of GPT-4, hinting at massive data and GPU power. But it's not all smooth sailing. First, cost. Posts on X suggest input prices are steep, maybe 6 cents per 1K tokens, way pricier than GPT-4's $2.50 per million. That's a hit for developers. Second, speed. Despite the hype, it's slower than expected, likely due to that huge compute load. Third, performance gains are underwhelming, just 5% better than GPT-4.0 despite 10x the effort. It's also missing multimodal outputs like voice or video, limiting its ChatGPT flair. Coding's solid but not top tier, and there's chatter about bugs, think glitchy edge cases or inconsistent reasoning. Scaling laws might be hitting a wall, raising questions about efficiency. Why should you care? GPT-4.5's magic lies in its ability to adapt. For writers, it's a co-author that catches subtle vibes. For programmers, it's a pair programmer spotting bugs before you do. For students or professionals, it's a research assistant that doesn't just recite facts, it connects dots. Posts on X from early testers rave about its EQ, its knack for reading between the lines. This isn't just incremental, it's a step toward AI that feels less robotic and more intuitive. Businesses might use it to streamline workflows, while creatives could push boundaries like never before. Of course, it's not perfect. No voice mode or video generation yet, those are still in the works. It's also a preview, so expect some kinks. But the potential? Massive. If GPT-4.5 is this good now, imagine what's next, GPT-5 perhaps? OpenAI's track record suggests they're just warming up. Whether it's enhancing education, automating tasks, or sparking creativity, GPT-4.5 is a glimpse into an AI-driven future that's closer than we think. From smarter chats to creative boosts, it's changing the game. What do you think? Excited, skeptical? Drop your thoughts below, and if you like this, hit subscribe for more AI deep dives. I'm Baz, thanks for watching, see you next time.